Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ruslana Borisenko. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, to my brand new YouTube channel, Dr. Rusi. I want to share with you my personal story and why I opened this channel and what information I'm going to share with you here. My story started many years ago when I finished my medical school in Ukraine and I became obstetrician gynecologist and I was taking care of many women. Few years later, I met my future husband, Walter Borisenko. Actually, he liked idea that his wife is going to be a doctor, but didn't care about me being an obstetrician because obstetricians never home. To make long story short, I went through second residency and became dermatologist and venerologist or STD doctor. In September 2003, I moved to America and we got married here. It was the happiest time in my life. But life gives you surprises. April 2nd, 2009, our family life changed forever. It was a sad day. That day, my husband was diagnosed with stage 4 prostate cancer. His PSA at the time was 356.7. Every doctor that we start talking to, they didn't give us good prognosis and they told us that he is going to live not more than 6 months. Knowing stubbornness and character of my husband, he told me these things that time. If I'm going to die in 6 months, I don't want to go through agony of chemo, radiation or surgery. I want to die in the comfort of my own bed in my house. It was a very tough decision. But we could not sit and wait that time will come, right? We start doing our research. We start talking to many people who survive cancer. We start talking to doctors who approaches onco diseases a little bit different. We travel to different clinics that gave us an idea how to approach, how to deal with cancerous diseases. That time we got so much knowledge and we not only knew that, we start doing it and incorporated this knowledge in our life. So to make long story short, 6 months passed, Walter was alive. 1 year passed, 2 years passed, and many people who knew our family and still know our family, many people who just was diagnosed with cancer, they didn't know what to know, they start calling us and asking questions. People were from America, from Ukraine, from Canada, from overseas, and we start consulting people. Knowing this amount of information, we could not keep in ourselves this information, and even Walter wrote a book. It says, Healing Prostate Cancer, I Did It My Way. We wanted to share this information with many people because traditional approach not always the answer to the question. Being medical doctor, I was taught to prescribe medicine, medicine that will treat diseases, but I wasn't taught to deal with body that body itself will cure many diseases. Our health is 20% of our genes and 80% it's what we do for our body. It's how we take care of our body. If we will go to the core, to the root of our diseases, we can cure our body, not just treat it. So on this channel, I'm planning to share with you information how to stay healthy, how to increase your longevity, have flexible body and clear mind. We are going to have fun actually here. As many as you know me, I like to cook. So I'm going to share with you my secret family recipes, how to cook healthy meals. I'm going to show you what produce should you buy, what should you avoid. Maybe we will go sometimes shopping and I will show you where I shop for my produce. So guys, if you like this idea, please under this video in comments send me a little flower plus a little smiley face, whatever, and I will know you like this idea and you will support my channel. How I will ask you to support my channel? Just please subscribe to this channel. Put your finger on the word subscribe under this video and put on the bell. This way you always will get my every new video that I'm going to release in the future. As well, I will ask you to share with your friends and family my channel. So, and this way we will build a healthy community, people who want to stay healthy, happy, and vibrant. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.